So, you're a wonderful painter now. Would you like to learn how to create digital paintings? Or maybe you're passionate about drawing. Would you like to test your drawing skills as an animator? Then Art 141 is a perfect class for you. In my section, we take a creative approach to storytelling. We design a character and a story and animate the character. We will also create a movie poster and finish up with a portfolio, resume, or a process book. This is a wonderful opportunity to have your art published online. We will also create a digital monogram to sign your work or enhance your resume. You will learn Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, and InDesign. These are the fundamental skills that will open the door to many visual art industries: gaming, animation, graphic design, and web design. If that sounds interesting, I hope to see you next semester. Please feel free to contact me with any questions.